much for waiting. In a moment, we'll be watching a special video that will immerse you to the world that you're about to enter. Pay close attention. It will teach you how to use your wands and interact with the magical elements throughout your journey. For your safety, this is the one-way experience. Once you've entered the next room, you can't go back to the previous room. Everybody okay? Alright, now let's watch the video together.
Welcome to Harry Potter, Visions of Magic. During your time here, you'll explore some of the most mysterious corners of the wizarding world in a new and exciting way. This interactive art experience brings to life the magic of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts films. Each room is a unique and magical interpretation of familiar places, like the Room of Requirement, the Hall of Prophecy, or even Newt's Menagerie. Soon, you'll hop on the night bus and start your journey. There are 10 unique rooms to explore, each filled with fantastical sights, sounds, and magical surprises. Remember, you're the key to bringing these hidden places to life. Wander at your own pace, explore, discover, and use your wand to uncover hidden magic. Your wand is a powerful tool for bringing the magic to life. As you explore, look out for traces of magic. These are glowing swirls of light that show you where to use your wand. Some of these traces are moving. Others are placed on magical objects. When you find one, point your wand and press to reveal the magic. There are many ways to use your wand. Sometimes, just point and press to see what magical effect takes place. Other times, you can point, press, and move your wand around to reveal magic around you. To stop the effect, just let go and stop pressing the wand. The magical effect will slowly disappear and the glowing symbol will come back soon after a short moment. Be careful how you use your wand. We don't want anyone getting hurt. Remember, you'll only be able to reveal visions of magic where you see traces of magic. Before you begin exploring, a few quick reminders. You can take as many photos as you like, but please don't use their flash. Please keep all butterbeer or any other drinks or snacks in the lobby and gift store areas. Take your time to explore and wander at your own pace. If you have questions or need help, our friendly hosts are always nearby. We're all set. Are you ready to uncover hidden magic and illuminate the invisible? Your journey begins now.
Now, take a look at your wands. Do you feel the groove on your wand? If your wands are lighting up, means it's working. Next, point your wand at the traces of magic and touch the groove. See how you respond? Now it's your turn to try. Feel free to move closer towards the traces of magic. For those at the back, you can try out the traces of magic behind you. Do ensure that your wands are working and try out the traces of magic around you. Our magical explorers, please gather in front of me. Those that just came in, could you please move in so that others can come in as well? Thank you. Our magical explorers, please gather in front of me. Those that just came in, could you please move forward or move a bit to your left or right a bit? Thank you.
Welcome to the night bus. Emergency transport for a stranded witch or wizard.
Now, it's time to reveal the night bus together. In the count of 3, let's lift our wands. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready? Yeah! Wonderful. In 1, 2, 3, lift your wands.
Take it away,
Wonderful magic, everyone.
still, and above all, those who live without love. It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget too late. Even in the darkest of times, if one increases freedom from itself. It takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to your enemies, but a great deal more to stand up to your friends. Innocent blood shall be spilled, and servants are lost. Drinking the blood of a unicorn will keep you alive, even if you are weaned from death, but at a terrible price.
Magical explorers, before we begin, can I ask all of you to take one step back, please? Thank you. You may get your phones ready, as this is something you will not want to miss. Magical explorers, you are all about to enter one of Hogwarts' most mysterious locations, the Chamber of Secrets. Legend says that it was built by one of the founding wizards, Salazar Slytherin himself. Before I can let all of you in, I have one really important question to ask. Are all of you brave enough to enter the Chamber of Secrets? Yeah. I'm not convinced, everyone. Where's the energy? There's so many of you. Alright, on the count of 3, point your wands at the door. 1, 2, 3, point your wands!
Chamber of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of the air, beware. It's written in blood.
Alright, magical explorers, as you enter the Chamber of Secrets, do be careful and mind your step.
So when you look at that mirror, you see what you're most desire.
Oh, it's new.